Julia's crafting space. In this video I will give you a tutorial on how to make a peach wreath. It's going to be this one right here. So it's a peach wreath with white flowers, lamb's ear, and lots of greenery and some white buds. So stay tuned. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. And here's another one. I actually made two. This wreath is going to be for a double door, and they ordered 2 wreaths. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hi, so we're gonna start with a wreath that has peaches already attached to it. So I glued all the peaches a day before, and make sure it's all dry, because when the glue is still wet, it's not easy to work with. So now we're gonna start with the process. We're gonna start off with the greenery and then continue with the whole process of the wreath making. So we have greenery, we have more greenery with some white buds, we have lamb's ear and white flowers. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna start off by gluing this greenery. It's a very long type of greenery, so make sure to glue the inside part of the wreath as well. So you're gonna alternate between inside and the outside of the wreath. I'm gonna do a quick process of the wreath making. I didn't want to record the whole process, so I just had to cut it in pieces because it will be a video very long. So here we're almost done. I need to cut more. I thought I cut enough of the greenery, but I didn't. So you can add as much as you want, depending on how full you would like to see your wreath. Okay, so now we're gonna continue with this one. It's the lamb's ear, and this is a garland. I used a little bit over half of a garland. I got this greenery, well actually I got everything from Hobby Lobby. Make sure to get your greenery and all your floral when it's 50% off, and the peaches when it's 50% off. The grapevine, it's never on sale. So the grapevine, sometimes I buy it from different craft stores like Michael's or Joann's. When I have a coupon or there's a sale, I try to get a lot of grapevine to take advantage of it. Okay, so as you can see, we're done gluing all the lamb's ear, and now we're gonna continue with this greenery with white buds. So by doing different types of greenery and little flowers, it's going to give your wreath a lot of texture and dimension, and it's gonna look nicer in my opinion. That way it doesn't look so flat and plain. So just add little details here and there. Also, thank you to the new subscribers, and make sure to subscribe for more videos. I do different types of craftings, but most of what I do is wreath making because I sell wreaths, so it's just easier for me to record myself while I'm working on a wreath order. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have Facebook and TikTok. You can find me on Wreath by Julia. I will put a link down below. Now let's continue with the flowers. Let me know in the comments what other type of wreaths would you like to see. I haven't posted a deco mesh I already did a burlap style wreath, and well, most of what I do is floral. And deco mesh, I'll probably make one for fall. And don't forget to give it a like when you're done watching this video. That will let me know that you enjoyed this video. And these white flowers, you can get them on Hobby Lobby as well. I believe they have them on Joann's. I've seen similar flowers like this. And try to put some flowers inside and outer side of the wreath. You can even add lemons. I think that would be a good idea to add lemons, so it'll be like a lemon peach wreath. So here's the final look. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch the next videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.